Hi there, Doggy Dan here from the Online Dog Trainer. I'm a father, I'm a husband, and author of the book, What the Dogs Taught Me About Being a Parent. Dog trainer, dog behaviorist, and dog lover. Ever since I was a little boy, I've always connected with dogs, always absolutely loved dogs, and it gives me great happiness to be able to help you with whatever situation you're in right now. You know, I have helped thousands and thousands of people in a one-on capacity understand their little dogs better, and I've helped tens of thousands of people online. So whether you're in the situation where you've got a new puppy and you want some help, or whether you've got a dog with some sort of problem and you've maybe worked with a few trainers and you're struggling to get a result, I know what it is like. I've seen the frustration. I know how confusing and difficult it can be. And the great news is it's not that hard when you actually know what to do. And with the internet these days, I can absolutely help you. I can help you today. So if you click on the button that's on this page, answer a couple of questions, and that'll help me to understand your situation, where you're coming from, and what you're looking for, and then I'll be able to provide you with the absolute best resource for your situation right now. All right, click on the button that's on this page, and let's get started.